Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I just want to show you a little quick one here. In my neighborhood, San Diego County, there have been some break-ins, and not just a break-in of an empty house, but there have been break-ins of people where their homeowners are in the houses. And one of the things that these criminals will do is they'll come to your control panel for your power. Hold on. Sorry, the panel door was a little tight. So they'll come to your control panel for the power for your whole house, and most or many, whichever, are outside of your gate. So even if your gate is locked, they can get to your control panel and cut the power to your whole house. This is my control panel. Right there is the master. That's called service disconnect. That shuts off every kilowatt of power to the whole house. All they have to do is throw that switch. It's a 200 amp service, and those are all the circuits. But that one cuts the whole house. So they open this up if it doesn't have a lock on it, cut the power to your whole house. You're wondering WTF is going on. In the meanwhile, they're breaking into your house. So what I'm doing and what I'm suggesting that all of you do is to put a lock on this. Okay, these are not meant to be, beautifully opening cabinet doors or anything, so they're a little hard. Just get a screwdriver, and you can gently pry it open if you need to pry it open. This has been painted a couple of times, and the paint makes it stick a little bit. So get a lock. This is not a super duper lock, but it's a pretty good master lock. Like that. Take the key. I've got a string on it now. I'm going to take it inside and bring the key inside. So then you've locked up your power to your house that way. There's no reason it has to be unlocked. Okay? You can unlock it when you need to get in there, and there's nobody who comes to your house from the utility companies or anybody else that needs to have access. So keep it locked, okay? That's just one more step. Give you a couple more steps. Security lights that come on. See the security light right there? Comes on. It's got a sensor on it. Now, let's say the burglar or the criminal has cut the power. That light's not going to work unless it's got a battery backup, and most of them don't have a battery backup. So more security lights and cameras. The cameras are on my internet, and my internet needs power. So the burglars kill the power, they kill the cameras. All right? This is not rocket science. So upgrade your security. You can buy a good lock under 10 bucks. Lock it up. It's just one more step to make it difficult for a criminal to get into your house. Okay? Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more content. Ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe. Have fun. Let's go, Brandon. Pick a side and vote.